VetVR Level 2: How to pressure check the anesthesia machine circle system. We can follow the instructions from the blackboard or do it randomly at will. We will have to apply all learning from components, gauges, gas flow in order to make the anesthesia machine work properly and render it safe for use. All connections have to be properly attached. Pressure check of the anesthesia systems are the ultimate safety checks before using an anesthesia unit with a patient, either human or animal. If we make mistakes, as I don't occlude the circuit Y piece and maintain a leak in the system, it will not pressurize. As I occlude the Y piece and stop the leak, I can pressurize the system to 20 to 30 centimeters of water and observe for additional leaks. As you can see in the pressure gauge to the left, that is not holding pressure and we have a leak. The leak means that this anesthesia unit is not safe for use. When VetVR asks me to make a decision whether the unit is safe, it will tell me if my choice is incorrect. It will prompt me to try it again for my learning.